As you can see, there's a white color iPhone 5 screen, and I'm gonna put this LCD plus digitizer assembly onto it. Okay, let's get on to this. Okay. You might need a couple of tools in order to do this repair. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and this little tool is to remove those two screws at the bottom. First up, we start removing these two screws. Then I'm just using this blade sort of tool in order to pull out the all LCD screen from the frame. Put it in carefully. Once you open the LCD screen a little bit, you can work out through these corners. This is the way it looks like. So definitely we need to replace with the LCD. Alrighty. Once you open it up like this, it looks like this way. Make sure you open from bottom to top, otherwise there will be some ribbon flex cables. It might can get damaged. Okay. Here I'm gonna show you there are 3 small screws down here which you need to take it out with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure you keep your screws in a proper place, don't lose them. Okay, I try to get a better view on this one. Much better. See, these 3 screws are removed, and you can take out the metal shield now. Be very gentle with this. So that's the metal shield right there. Just here. And you have to take it out to your connectors. Connector cable very carefully. Just make sure you don't damage the connectors and everything. Lift it very carefully. Okay. Now it's looks like this, and your 3 pop connectors just right there. One for digitizer, one for LCD, and one for your front facing camera and speakers. Okay. Next step. First you can start with home button. Remove these 2 screws first. Then you can give some pressure towards the home button from the other end, and it will come up like this. Then I got a hot air blower, just a little bit heat near the home button just to loosen up this part, just right here. Okay, it goes here, and you can keep this one on the side. Then you will find 2 small screws in this side, 2 in here, just 2 down there, which is holding your speaker and your front facing camera, and this is another screw which is holding your frame. So I'm just starting with the top part, which is keep your screws in order, otherwise you might lose them. Okay, before we go to next step, I'm gonna show you all the parts. Alright. Sorry about my camera, just need to get a nice angle. Yeah. Okay, that's your front facing camera, your light sensor, and that's your speaker, that's your new screen, and the metal shield at the back. And you need to put back your home button. Then that's your home button there. Shield for your connectors just down here. And that's your smash screen. Okay, let's get back onto it. I'm starting with the metal shield at the back. Please keep your screws in proper place. I know where these screws are going, so that's done. Your home button can go first here. Then this one coming next onto it. Align it nicely. Okay. Next. I'm gonna put the small little ring for the camera. And this is your second microphone just on the top, so it can go back in. Yes, it's in. Then your camera goes inside. There's a small, tiny little plastic thing that can't get a proper view on it, but you need to make sure it's going inside here. Once it's done, you can put back your speaker called earpiece back in place. I already got the screw just down here, so I'm gonna tidy it up a little bit and need to make sure the camera is focused in the middle. Okay, next. The second screw. Okay.